cram this one in the morning. I'm not normally able to do them in the morning. So it's Friday morning, and it's the Fidelity CB2000, the Cybernet based one with the big 3.5-inch speaker that we did yesterday. Trying to get another set done today. I think it's a realistic TRC1007 handheld. Now, I've not heard anything on this radio since it's been on this bench, so I don't know what that's about. Let's go over to a proper channel and see if Mr. Chippie's there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie. Test.
Tango 21.
Roger, just making sure you can hear me.
Yeah, I can. There's so little noise floor today. It's unbelievable.
Yes, this is what, I've heard absolutely nothing on this radio. So, and I've had it on since, I had it on all night. I had it on since 8 o'clock yesterday evening.
Yeah, after that, I was wondering if we had this solar storm everybody was on about.
Well, it might work better for us then.
Yeah, it should do.
Right, I'll just put the extension speaker on, which is the socket there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Right, off we go. Oh, is there a sound control? Yes, there is, so we'll have a bit of test.
Yeah, roger that. I just pulled into Woody's lay-by. Tone controls, I could say it. 5432112345.
Roger on that. That's just a switch on this, but it wasn't working when the set came in, and it is now.
Roger that.
Off you go.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane. Is the VCO not playing up to down that set, and it's cold?
Yeah, exactly. It doesn't seem to be, particularly when it's cold, just when it feels like it.
Roger.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, and this time you'll have a prize for me.
Yeah, I think it was 149.9, 164.5, something like that.
I'm sure one of our avid viewers will pause the video and see what he says.
Yeah, Roger. It'd be easier than me trying to remember anyway.
I know the feeling.
Right, we're almost, but not quite, square-wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads now going through.
Roger on that. It's going to be fun when there's major roadworks in 2 weeks, for 2 weeks.
Yeah, well, it shouldn't affect this junction, should it?
Hopefully not, just probably me getting to church.
Yeah, Roger that. We're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round a scratchy corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round scratchy corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round scratchy corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around scratchy corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Fidelity CB2000FM. That's the version that uses the Cybernet 134 chassis from 1981. And it's doing a full 4 watt out.
Yep, roger that. All received nice and clear.
Roger, Dodger.
Level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilford level crossing. This could probably be a good day to do a CBT test if we had a radio in for repair that had CBT only.
Yeah, absolutely. There's just no interference on your signal at all, apart from the noises that go away from you.
Just between 1 and 3, the S reading here, it's like usually 5.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Obviously, it's difficult to see on these S meters what the S reading is, but it's very low, I can tell you that.
Yeah, we'll see to the low power test. Roger on you being in the Kelby then.
Roger. Behind a very slow moving low dole type vehicle at the moment, so it's taking a while.
Yeah, roger on that. Probably best not to overtake that one.
No, there's not much point now, we're nearly at the junction.
There's nothing worse than people who overtake you only to turn back immediately.
Yeah, roger that. Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. So, next bit you'll be pulling over.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point, so on this Fidelity CB2000, not to be confused with the 2001, and we'll go into low power. So it's doing full 4 watts at the moment, it's doing 1.3 amps on the aerial, the size 4321 if I can find the switch. And there we are back in high power 4 watts over.
you may have a problem. It went from the usual reading S6-ish, and it went off completely. I was getting nothing off you.
Right, we'll recheck that then on the test set before sending it back.
Yep, roger that.
Sometimes the presets need changing. I cleaned it yesterday and it didn't play up from them. I'm just going to check it again. I know you're probably moving off, but I'm just going to check it again while I'm talking. And now we're back to full power, over.
Yeah, it worked a bit better that time. I had to really lower the squelch, but not as good as other sets.
Roger, anyway, I will double check that.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're back on the move.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got the phone call for me? I thought I've just had the answer. Have you got the petrol price for me?
Yep, 149.7, 159.9 as usual.
Excellent, that concludes the test, thank you.
Roger that, 10-10.
10-10.
Okay, that worked great. We're going to recheck that 400 milliwatts. It could be a dirty switch because it was a dirty preset yesterday. Of course, it could be a dirty switch and a dirty preset. Could be a faulty preset. So I'll put the test set back on and we'll just check that. Behind the scenes, I just had to run up and answer the phone by the time I got there to stop ringing. Right, we'll go over to our base station and we'll see what it sounds like on my standard replacement mic. I will flick it to low power in that test.
Tango 21, testing the Fidelity 2000 into our Midland 76900 base station on 4 watt and using our standard replacement micro. I'm just going to flick it into low power, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on 400 milliwatts and then back into the 4 watt setting. So as ever, thanks for watching.